I know it sounds unbelievable, but this single page funnel has made me over 100,000 in sales commission. So in this video, I want to show you how it works and how you can apply it in your own affiliate marketing business. The software I use for this is called WP Funnels. I'll leave a link in the video description below. So this single funnel here looks like this. When it comes to affiliate marketing, a lot of people send all their traffic to the actual product they're promoting. So this is absolutely wrong. The strategy that you're supposed to apply into affiliate marketing is to send all your traffic to what is known as a bridge page. So for this to work, you need to give a bonus. So let me show you what this page looks like. So this is the actual canvas design, and here is the actual landing page. So this is where we're saying if you purchase our product here, we're going to give you a bonus, and then you're asking them, where should I send the bonuses? So this is where they'll add their first name, email address, and then when they click buy product, this is going to redirect them to the actual place where they're going to buy the product. In the meantime, you've got your name and email address for the potential customer. So, but this doesn't end there, because when you take a look here, it looks like this is very simple and nothing much is going on. So what I've done here, I've said when someone signs up, they are going to be added a tag. And if you take a look here at the tag is called interested in product. So this is what you need to apply to this tag right here. So now you know that when they add in their name and email address, the tag is added. The next step now is what to do after the tag has been added. And this is where the power of collecting the name and email address comes in. So the next part now is the automation. So I'm going to come over here to Mailmint and go to automations. So we want a reminder that if they don't purchase, you remind them about the bonuses. So this is the one automation called interested in product. So if we take a look at this, you're going to notice that we have a few steps in this process. So firstly, we're going to say once a tag is applied and the tag is called interested in product, we have a time delay. So we're going to give them 10 minutes for them to purchase the product. And after 10 minutes, if they haven't, we're going to send them an email to remind them. So this email is basically saying, hey, if you haven't purchased the product, here is a reminder of what you get when you purchase my product. But if you already purchased it, then go to this link to add your receipt. So that's pretty much what this email is about. And then you can just stop the automation. Okay, now let's go back here. The second automation now is when they have filled in the form with the receipt number, this is where you give them a second tag. So this one here, this automation here is when a product is bought. So take a look here. So this is triggered by bought product. Okay, so the next step here is we're going to remove the tag that says interested in product. And then we're going to send an email for them to download the bonuses, which is pretty cool. Now over here, we have an if-else statement. So we are saying now, if the email is clicked, right, then what should happen? So over here, if they've clicked the email and downloaded the bonuses, this is where the automation stops. Now over here to the left, if they haven't checked the email or clicked on the email, we're going to give this a time delay of 1 day and then send them an email again to say, hey, download your bonuses. So pretty much this is the process. This has made me well over 100,000. In fact, this is so amazing because the way I used to do it before was absolutely wrong, and it was very, very frustrating because I couldn't work out how affiliate marketing worked. So everything you've heard about affiliate marketing is absolutely wrong. This is the best way, and I have proof to show you that this has been working for me. So as I mentioned, I'm using WP Funnels for this. I'm also using Mailmint because Mailmint works really well with WP Funnels. So this combination is perfect for affiliate marketing. Now, if you want to take a look at the traffic, if we come back over here to WP Funnels and then we go into this particular funnel, you can activate all your stats over here and see what is happening. So you can see here, I have 3 people that have looked at this. Go further on the analytics here. This will also show you how this is working. So what I've done recently is I've added A/B testing, which again, you can do in this product, which I think is a very, very good thing because you want to be testing to see if this works really well. So to apply A/B testing, all you have to do is to come over here, click once, and then you want to click on A/B. Okay, so we're going to duplicate the variant. And now you can see we have these 2 different ones. So what you can do now, this one here is the one which is pretty much plain. So you may want to experiment with maybe adding a video here to explain the bonuses and why the product you're promoting is really, really good. So once you've done that, you compare these two and see all the stats. So you can just take a look at the stats by coming over here. So this will tell you all your unique visits, your conversions, the conversion rate, and so on. So the one that comes up top here is the one that you choose as the one that's working well. Now, I'm also going to do another video showing you how the A/B testing actually works and why I'm choosing option A over option B of the landing page. So guys, this is how you do affiliate marketing using WP funnels and MailMint. This process of doing affiliate marketing is phenomenal because you're going to be building an email list, and you can promote further products to those people on your mailing list. Whereas if you're sending traffic to one landing page directly, you have no way of collecting all that data, which is pretty much very, very difficult to make this a business. Let me know what you guys think in the video description below. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.